Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to solve internet problem on Infinix mobile. Friends, you have internet problem in your Infinix phone, so how to solve internet problem in Infinix phone, and how to reset internet setting Infinix mobile. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. Friend, open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Infinix phone guys system setting. So guys, system setting guys, we will click here. Friends, you can see system setting. Friends, you can see reset option. So guys, click on your reset option. Friends, click on your reset mobile network and this setting guys, tap here, and friends, you can see your device pin. So friends, you have your screen lock, pin lock, pattern and any password. So I enter password and withdraw your pattern. So I will enter my pin. Next option guys, reset setting guys, tap here, please wait, setting has been reset. So after 4 and 5 seconds guys, your internet problem will solve, means guys your internet setting will reset, and hence you can use your internet without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section, I will check, I will make video for you guys. So friends, you can see how to reset, and friends you can reset from your search bar also guys. Search here guys, reset setting. Friends, you can see reset option guys, tap here, and friends you can see reset setting is tap here, use your device pattern or guys your pin, click here, and guys your setting will reset. So I hope friends you understood. And friends, you can see erase all data. Friends, you want to erase your all data, so you can erase from here also. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.